Yesterday it was raining all day. Today, windy, cold, but it's sunny, so we're out and about. And little Buzzy's running crazy. Doing laps around. Whoops! And little did we know, the rain was heading our way. Out in the mountains, and we're going to cook some sausages. The last time we were here we couldn't light the fire, now it's going. Nice speed there, Jack. Maybe put on these. The fire's going nicely now.
No, it's going fast.
Yeah, we'll put some more wood on it. Yeah, do you like the fire? Is it nice? Yeah.
Let's get some more wood.
Let's get some.
Number day 3.
Dead tree.
But it got loads of berries. But that's not a dead tree.
See this one here, we can. This is a dead tree.
Yeah.
Chop this one. Now hold that.
Whoa.
Whoa, mind yourself. Hold that. Don't go yet. Wait. Wait for me. If I could. Oh. Oh no, you don't just throw like that. Look, don't put that on the fire. Look.
Yeah.
Come closer, this side. So the wind is going that way, so it doesn't blow into your face. The last time we were here, we couldn't light the fire. Do you remember?
Yeah.
It was too wet. But this time, we came prepared. We brought our own kindling.
Yeah.
Somebody already had a fire here.
Yeah.
Our own sticks. And then a few more sticks that are around.
Yeah.
Fires, away he goes. Don't race, don't need to race. These are tasty sausages. Oh, nicely, nicely.
Ma,
Yes?
and it's a hot or warm?
What's hot or warm?
Oh,
That is hot.
and this is that warm?
That's nice and warm.
Yeah. I'm brand new.
It can
I
burn you.
wouldn't see it.
Can you see
I wouldn't.
this side? This side, because the wind is blowing that way.
Seriously, listen.
The speed of them. Give me that straight. That's it up here.
Ma,
Oh look, the two bikers. Take a bite. Nice, yeah? Yeah?
it's melting.
No.
The sauce is melting in my finger.
My burger has sauce than the actual meat. Do you like it out here, Pussy?
Yeah, we're studying.
I'm down for a little walk. And sitting by a fire like this, it makes you think and wonder. Well, for me it does. What happened back in the day? How many people have fought for their country through these woods, through these mountains, and how many have died?
How long? 2 minutes. Stop trying to fucking kill me.
That water is so red. Look at this. Why is the water red?
Yeah.
It's from the stones, Buzzy.
Need a drink.
Okay, let's go to the car and get a drink. And let's make sure that the fire's out, okay?
Backwards, then you could trip over.
Exactly.
And hurt yourself.
Is that right? Come on. I don't know, Buzzy, how we're going to put this out. Can't leave it like this, you see? It. Yes.
And tired.
Yeah, we'll go in the car now, Buzzy.
You put out the fire?
But you see, the stones prevent from spreading. So that's why it's stones around.
Smoke is going away.
Yeah, it's just the smoke.
And we put the fire out. Daddy's in the car.
Enjoy today, Buzzy, yeah?
There's only 5:30.
5:30. Fire's out and we're good to go now, yeah? Come on.
This is to go with.
Okay, let's go.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Plenty of new trees being planted. Yes.
Yes, they are Christmas tree.
The Christmas trees.
Yeah.
Look at that beautiful view behind me. It's gorgeous. So windy though. Rain is right behind us. Dead fox. Here's the rain. Oh wow, look at that. That's gorgeous there. There's loads of stone walls. There's like a little ruin or something. If it wasn't that windy, we could have flown over there.